My name is Andy Lewis, Electric Automation Business Developer for the Food and Packaging segment for North America. And today we're taking a look at the Simplified Motion Series demo. We have a wide portfolio of different types of actuators, rod style, rodless, rotary, a couple different size stepper motors and integrated controllers included there. It's controlled over digital I/O or I/O link for multi-position. And what's really great about this, the name of it itself is exactly what it is, which is Simplified. You can control it, like I said earlier, by digital I/O or I/O link. You can perform that by communicating over I/O link to our I/O link master on our CPXE PLC platform. We also have the capability of distributing the I/O and placing the actuators where you need them using our new distributed I/O CPX API, which has a 4-port I/O link master that allows you to control upwards of 4 of these actuators via 24 volts in I/O link. So it's very helpful there. And then finally, if you have a third-party PLC that is controlling all of this, it's not a Festo PLC, it's not a problem. If it's a third-party I/O link master, we have the AOIs or the function blocks that are required to set this up so that you have seamless integration between a Festo integrated motor and actuator and your third-party I/O link master and or PLC.